Welcome back to TCS tutorial. Today we are going to see how we can create a TCS item based on fast formula. I am not going to get into the detail of fast formula because already I have covered in my blogspot, and also I have a very detailed videos. Like you can get into that video playlist, my playlist, and see that there are four playlists. I'll show you what it is. First of all, I can show you. This is my this is a Tilak-Lakshmi blogspot.com. This has got all that explanation of the first formula. But recently I found some of the images are missing. I don't know. This is the work is started from 16 to 24. I cannot go and rebuild it. Even that is too much of work to rebuild it. But you can read through that. But if you have any issue of understanding the whole thing, you can get into that video tutorial of fast formula. I also give a link to this playlist down because here I have a an introduction. This one has got every video which is part of that fast formula. This is divided into introduction and compensation and the total compensation kind of there you can look at the total you can see the introduction as well as the uh, first formula. If you already know the first formula, you can look at the total compensation statement, which has got all the different type of a compensation item creation. Also it has got a eligibility, I mean the person selection, because we also use a person selection first formula, so you can have a look at this part. Well, now let me tell you how to create a fast formula. Like any other sources, we are explaining how to create a sources. This also will go through the same way you can have here fast formula, fast formula. Then I'll the item what we are creating here is a total compensation item. Where is ST? So, okay, total compensation item. If you are selecting it, is already you have so many 4 or 5 formulas here. Now let me create a fast formula. You can go and edit that. Okay, anyway, I'm going to create a fast formula. This is I say lesson TCS. I'm not sure you can use underscore because anyway I'm not putting under. I can use underscore, but I'm not doing dash for formula. The type is total. Total compensation item. Usually I give a 00. Okay, I'm just copying. No, I'm just copying a text I already have. I'm not explaining no how to create a bus formula. This is already I have, because the tutorial I have explained what are the input values, what are the DBA possible DBAs, and what are the output different outputs, and all the logic is already explained. So I'm not going to go through the same thing again. I'm submitting it. I'm compiling it. Okay, it is compiled. So now we are going to come back. If I search here, you see that formula and the status is compiled. Okay, so this is what we are going to use it for our. Okay, now we have a okay compensation item. I'm creating a LESS fast formula. Benefit no fast formula is formula. So I'm choosing the okay SALESS. Let's see. Okay, it already picked up. There's only one, so it's picked up. Now we have to say what it is because as of now, I think we are using a monetary, non-monetary. That's the only thing I'm support. No, we are supporting everything, I believe. So I'm saying monetary and okay, and say USD, US dollar. Okay, and I'm saving it. Okay, you can test the first formula the same way, statement name. Here we have to give a statement name. The reason is here there are a lot of other information passed into the statement name, statement period ID, statement ID. All this information passed into first formula. That's the reason it doesn't have the other option of like only validating for a period. So you can choose any this one. Okay, you can choose any period. That is fine here. But make sure the period is basically like within that. I mean after the formula is created. Like, you can't create a formula in 2022 and you are trying to do that mail. In our case, it is we are created in 20 0. So that is fine, I believe. Okay. Now it is created a -1, probably it may not have. Okay. Now if you go to the log clearly tell you like, who's the assignment that is passed in, what is the effective date, what is the LEAD, all kind of information. Whatever you have a detail, the set log, use only set log. If you want to help here, use only the set log, no other like the logging mechanism. If you use a set underscore log, you'll get all this information here. Okay, so formulas, though the value -1 is coming, the formula basically executed perfectly right. Okay, that okay. Now you can go and save and close. If you are okay, now formulas external. Okay, formula. Okay, now that's all about how to create a like fast formulas. If you are trying to delete a fast formula, like let me search here, and if I'm deleting a fast formula, editing is like easy. There's no problem with that. If you are deleting a fast formula, you can delete it easily. There's no problem with that part. But if you are using any kind of a fast formula, which is like, no, I don't want anything, assume that this is used, assume that I don't know because we have no, assume that we are deleting it. No, okay. This is what you are going to get it. Like, you can't delete the compensation item because at least one calculated item or something else is using it. So you cannot do that. Okay, now if I'm trying to change the item, what will happen? If I'm element entry to, I'm putting it to something like, let's see. See, I'm telling normal, something like that. I see that. Okay. You can't change the type of a compensation because at least one category uses compensation. If it's already started using it, you cannot change the type and all the stuff. You can't change it. There are probably you may change that like USD and some information can be changed, but not the major information can be changed. That's all about how to create a TCS item. If you have any questions, any doubts, anything, you can put it in comment section. I try to add the URL to my blog as well as the uh, that my that YouTube that video list and everything. I added that so you know to access the fast formula information. So like that's all about this video. The next lesson onwards we'll get into creating a category. Till that.